shatters! Here I am, full of desire to ride the wave, and there goes a crack in my hopes of becoming the greatest surfer! I just caught the wave and it cracked right in the middle.
What do we have here?
Oh, my feta!
Hiding traces of another mischief?
Who's there?
What are you hiding in the bin, you naughty slime?
Oh, just imagine, Sue! I've decided to ride the styrofoam, and it broke in half! Now it's just a ghost of a surfboard. There it goes in the bin.
Oh, Sam! You shouldn't just throw styrofoam away like this. I have a really great idea for how to use it.
Aw, come on, Sue! What can you make out of broken styrofoam?
Come with me and you'll see.
Coming, Sue! Wait for me!
Hey guys! We're not just showing you a craft using styrofoam today. It'll be a DIY to test your attentiveness. During the whole episode, you'll see letters in a random order. You'll need to make a word out of them, and not just write it in the comments. You'll need to make screenshots and send them to us in the right order. Good luck, guys! Sam, where are you?
Oops! Coming, Sue! I was mopping the bathroom floor.
Where have you been? Eating chocolates again?
Oh, no, Sue. How could I? I was cleaning the bathroom.
Then what's that? Chocolate sweat from cleaning?
Oh, I just had a little chocolate snack. I just went through so much stress when I had the shipwreck in the sink. Chocolates help me recover.
You've got quite an imagination, Sam. We'll need a bowl for mixing our super substance.
Oh, what super substance! You've got me intrigued.
Well, you, our viewers, and I are going to make a relaxing super substance to relieve your stress, Sam.
Oh, yes, Sue, that's exactly what I need. Relaxing.
Sam, bring me a glass of water.
It will be my pleasure.
And be careful, don't splash the water around.
Going, dear Sue. Mwah.
Hey guys, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and tell your friends about them. And don't forget to watch out for letters hidden in this video.
I wonder what kind of substance you can make out of styrofoam. But Sue can do it. I know it.
Hey Sam, where's the water?
I'm coming, my dear Sue! Here's your water, Sue, but let me take a sip. I'm so thirsty.
Sure, Sammy. You probably had more chocolates, huh? Now, I need to rinse the glue bottle. Add some water. It should be 1/3 of the amount of glue. Now we need to mix it really well.
Mike, stir the glue. And you, Michelle, go to the kitchen and get some water and candies for Mr. Sam. Why are you sitting around? Go on! I'll show you who's the boss here. You're completely out of control. Gently, Sue. There, like this. And higher. Oh, yeah.
Sam? Quit lying around and get me some coloring.
Whoa! It was just a dream? Pity. I'm coming, Sue!
Were you relieving your stress with chocolate again?
Why would you even think that? I've been looking for coloring.
Well done! Thanks!
What are we gonna do next?
We'll pour the coloring into the mixture and stir it.
Sue, when are we going to use my styrofoam?
Right now! It's time for your failed styrofoam surfboard.
Oh, yay! Finally! We'll turn it into dust! Chop, 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 chop! You monstrous machine!
And And there's your chopped surfboard, Sam.
Yay! A relaxing bath is ready! Oh, yeah! Feels so good!
It's not time to relax yet, Sam. The super substance isn't ready. Go wash yourself. I'll continue.
Sam.
Who's here? Don't try to scare me, I'm not afraid of you!
Sam.
Sam, what's the matter? You look scared. What happened?
Oh, Sue! I was washing in the sink and somebody called me in a scary voice from the depths of the drains.
Oh, silly Sam. There's nobody down there. That's your wild imagination.
Oh, Sue, you're so kind. Okay, come on. How's our relaxing substance? I'm one raw nerve now.
Well, we're adding the balls to the bowl. And now we have to mix it well. Hey, Sam, could you bring me some starch from the kitchen and a glass of water?
All right. I hope it'll go well this time and the one in the drains won't hear me. Oh. Hey, who's in there? I'm not afraid of you. Let's make a deal. I'll just get some water, and that's it. Is that a no or a yes? Is that a yes? Oh, thank you, master of the drains!
Sam, come to me.
Sam, you're quite slow today.
Can't think about chocolates or water.
Well, while you were gone, I brought some.
You haven't heard anything?
No. What was I supposed to hear?
Nothing.
All right, let's make liquid starch. I'll add a glass of water and mix it well.
Abracadabra! Simsalabim!
Bam!
Oh!
I'll mix it really well.
Mix it better! Don't stain the table!
And ta-da! Our relaxing super substance is done!
Oh, wow! Give it here, Sue. I want to relieve my stress.
Guys, you should make it too! Don't be afraid. And subscribe to our channel. Now, the most important part. If you have guessed the secret word, write it in the comments and make screenshots in the right order. Bye-bye! See you soon!